Hello everyone. Today we will discuss RRB Nursing Officer Exam MCQs. Practice set 14. So let's get started. The phase of labor involving full cervical dilation is. Correct answer is D. Second stage. The second stage of labor begins with complete cervical dilation 10 cm and ends with birth. It's marked by strong expulsive efforts. Monitoring is crucial here. Next question. What fetal head diameter engages in a normal vertex presentation? Correct answer is A. Biparietal. The biparietal diameter 9.5 cm is the largest transverse head diameter. It is the key engaging diameter in vertex presentation. It aligns with pelvic inlet. Next question. Feature distinguishing anorexia nervosa from bulimia. Correct answer is B. Low body weight. Both disorders involve body image issues, but anorexia has significant weight loss. Bulimia usually maintains normal weight. It's a key diagnostic clue. Next question. Drug used to reverse opioid overdose. Correct answer is C. Naloxone. Naloxone rapidly reverses opioid effects by blocking receptors. It restores breathing in overdose cases. It's short acting and may need repeat dosing. Next question. Which hormone softens the cervix before labor? Correct answer is C. Prostaglandin. Prostaglandins, especially E2, help repin the cervix by breaking down collagen. They also induce contractions used medically for labor induction. Next question. SDG 3.4 targets a one-third reduction in. Correct answer is B. NCD related premature deaths. SDG 3.4 aims to cut premature mortality from NCDs by 33% by 2030. Focuses on cardiovascular diseases, cancer, diabetes, etc. It emphasizes prevention and health promotion. Next question. Mechanism of fetal head movement that allows passage through the vaginal canal. Correct answer is D. Flexin. Flexin reduces the fetal head diameter to suboccipito-brachmatic. This allows the smallest diameter to pass through the birth canal. It occurs as the head descends. Next question. Common cause of adjustment disorder. Correct answer is C. Significant life change. Adjustment disorder arises from a psychosocial stressor like divorce or job loss. Symptoms start within 3 months of the event. It resolves once the stressor ends or is adapted to. Next question. Which antidote is used in organophosphorus poisoning? Correct answer is A. Atropine. Atropine is a muscarinic antagonist that relieves secretions and bradycardia. It's used along with paralidoxime in OP poisoning. Rapid IV administration is crucial. Next question. Which of the following is a non-REM sleep disorder? Correct answer is A. Night terrors. Night terrors occur in deep non-REM sleep. especially in children. The person may scream and be unresponsive to comfort. They usually don't remember the episode. Next question. SDG 3.1 aims to reduce global maternal mortality ratio to less than. Correct answer is D. 70 per 100,000 live births. SDG target 3.1 focuses on ending preventable maternal deaths. The goal is to reduce the global MMR to under 70 by 2030. It stresses skilled care at birth. Next question. Which phase of labor is most painful? Correct answer is C. Transition phase. The transition phase 8 to 10 centimeter dilation is the most intense and painful. Contractions are strong, frequent and lasting longer. Emotional support is crucial here. Next question. What is the primary route of HIV transmission in India? Correct answer is C. Sexual contact. Unprotected heterosexual contact is the major route of HIV transmission in India. Education and condom use help prevent spread. Targeted interventions are key. Next question. Which condition is not classified as an eating disorder? Correct answer is B. Hypersomnia. Hypersomnia is a sleep disorder not related to food intake or eating patterns. The others involve abnormal eating behaviors. Classification is per DSM-5. Next question. What is the drug of choice in cyanide poisoning? Correct answer is C. Hydroxycobalamin. Hydroxycobalamin binds with cyanide to form cyanocobalamin. Vitamin B12 is non-toxic and excreted in urine. It's the preferred and safer antidote. Next question. Which movement expels the fetus during delivery? Correct answer is D. Expulsion. Expulsion is the final cardinal movement when the fetal body is delivered. It follows delivery of the head and shoulders. It marks the end of the second stage. Next question. Which vitamin is used as an antidote in warfarin toxicity? Correct answer is C. Vitamin K. Vitamin K reverses the anticoagulant effect of warfarin. It helps in synthesizing clotting factor 2, 7, 9 and 10. Administered orally or IV depending on severity. Next question. The drug of choice in paracetamol poisoning. Correct answer is B. Acetylcysteine. Acetylcysteine replenishes glutathione, which detoxifies the toxic metabolite of paracetamol. It's most effective within 8 to 10 hours of ingestion, administered orally or IV. Next question. Which sleep disorder is characterized by sudden sleep attacks during the day? Correct answer is B. Narcolepsy. Narcolepsy involves excessive daytime sleepiness and sudden REM sleep attacks. It may also present with cataplexy treated with stimulants and scheduled naps. Next question. What is the last link in the chain of infection? Correct answer is C. Susceptible host. A susceptible host is one with low assistance or immunity. Infection occurs when all links complete. Breaking any link stops disease transmission. Next question. Best drug for iron poisoning. Correct answer is B. Defruxamine. Defruxamine chelates free iron forming furosamine, which is excreted in urine, used in moderate to severe iron toxicity administered IM or IV. Next question. During which labor stage is placental separation observed? Correct answer is C. Third stage. The third stage of labor begins after fetal delivery and ends with placental expulsion. Management includes monitoring for bleeding. Controlled cord traction is used. Next question. Adjustment disorder duration is usually limited to. Correct answer is D. 6 months. Symptoms begin within 3 months of stressor and usually resolve by 6 months. If stressor persists, symptoms may last longer. It's a temporary condition. Next question. Eating disorders electrolyte imbalance is commonly due to. Correct answer is B. Vomiting and laxative use. Vomiting and laxatives cause loss of potassium, chloride, and sodium. Hypokalemia can lead to cardiac arrhythmias, common in bulimia nervosa. Next question. SDG 3.2 focuses on ending preventable deaths of. Correct answer is C. Neonates and under 5 children. SDG 3.2 aims to reduce neonatal mortality to below 12 per thousand and under 5 mortality to below 20 per thousand live births by 2030. Focus is on child health and survival.